Alright, so here we have October's tuner crate box. It says upshift, downshift, oh. And yeah. So last month, Petrol Box had a shirt with the same design as this. So we'll see if, knowing the tuner crate, they usually throw a shirt with the same design as the cover of the box. So if that's the case, hopefully it's not the same color as the one I got last month, which was, let me show you real quick. So here's Petrol's box for September. This is their shirt. So we'll see if it's the same, different. We'll find out. Let's get it open and see what we got. So off the bat, first thing we got, it's a little sticker. It says upshift, downshift, oh shift. Alright, cool. We got that. Usually they throw in these cards. Got a Dodge Viper. I want to say it's a 350Z. Got a small sticker of a scene. Looks like a scene from the Fast and the Furious 6, 7? Not sure. Torettos. I always seek adventure, explore the unknown. I feel like they're just randomly throwing stuff in here this month. Black ice. It's a coaster of a disc and a rotor. I mean a rotor and a cap. 4GT. Needle nose pliers. Got a lanyard. Oh, it's Haggard Garage. Dang, I haven't seen that in a bit. Mint. Little ghost. 3D printed. Then to the Toyota GR Supra from Fast 9. I don't know what that. It's broken. I don't know, but there's like a plastic piece in there and I can't. I'll probably switch over. Oh, there it is. I'll switch over to the other camera, I'll show y'all when I go through it. One more ride. Got this pin, I think a few boxes ago, so I'm definitely positive now that we're just throwing stuff in there. Torettos. Then I'm also positive that they threw another shirt in like this, but just a different color. I don't remember. And if you guys saw the beginning of the video, this is their design of it, I guess. Upshift, downshift, O shift. And then a bigger. Honestly, I'm not a fan of all these Fast and Furious, like big old sticker. I liked it when it was just like actual cars. But the past few months, it's been Fast and Furious stuff. So I'm guessing they're just trying to get rid of stuff at their warehouses. But yeah, there's that. Alright, so first off, I'm gonna start off with the sticker. I don't remember what scene or what movie this was from. It wasn't even from a scene. It's just Universal Studios right there. So I'm guessing it's just like a fan art or something. But I miss when they made like these big stickers of like cars. Let me show y'all what I mean. What they've done in the past. So something like this. I think these are way better than like that design. I don't like this is way better. You can actually cut these out and put them somewhere. Not like that. That's just like a fan art. Which I guess is okay, but I don't know. That's just my opinion. Then we got the Toyota Supra from Fast 9. And if you guys have been watching the past videos, whenever they sent one of these, I got a little set that my brother got me for Christmas. I'm just gonna show y'all what I mean. Special spot right next to the Hans RX-7. These are the ones I got right now. All these bottom ones are the ones my brother got me for Christmas. And then I got that one I think a box ago. That one's a box ago. And now we're gonna put this guy right up there. So it's gonna fit in there perfectly. So now I know. Got the two orange ones right on top. Yeah, I gotta clean this. It's all dusty. Said that last video. Do it. Probably not gonna do it. I am in the garage, so yeah. All right, let's see. Yeah, more chipping on my freaking wheels. Up next, we got some needle nose pliers. Last month they threw in just some regular pliers, but yeah. Then we got the one more ride. The pin. They did throw in this a few boxes ago, so yeah. Like I said, now I'm sure that it's just throwing in stuff. Coaster, a rotor. Pretty good detail on it. I'm probably just gonna 3M tape somewhere in my toolbox and just put it up there. And then we got the 3 cards that they threw in this month. 350, Ford GT, Dodge Viper, black ice air freshener. Like I said, you can never have too many air fresheners. Now we got the stickers that they put in there, and a miniature version of that one. Then we got the little 3D printed ghost. It is spooky season, so pretty cool, I guess. Then we got the, I haven't seen these guys in a while. Haggard Garage with a tuner crate mashup. I like the color of the text. Pretty dope. Yeah, I forgot to show y'all. Little piece that's broken. So I figured out where that's from. And it's the other side of the headlight. Man. But yeah. RIP. Alright, so here we have the 2 shirts they sent us this box, or this month. There's the upshift, downshift, O shift. Then we got the Los Angeles Family First Toretto 2001 Market and Cafe. So this one is I got a box from Picture Box last month, and let's see if I can get the shirt right quick. So if you guys saw the beginning, well, you'll understand what I'm saying. But this is like, I guess, their version. This is Tuner Crate's version, and then this is Petrol Box's version. You got the same almost design. The only difference is the bottom part. And I do like the blue on this. Honestly, if this brown was with the gray was this blue, I would have digged this shirt a lot. Those are two of my favorite colors. Brown and the blue. That would be pretty cool, but yeah, this is Petrol Box. And this is Tuner Crate. Yeah, I like the design still anyways. Don't mind the different colors, so it is what it is, you know. So yeah, overall I feel like they just threw in a bunch of stuff. Only thing that made sense for this box this month was little ghosts, just because it's spooky season for October, you know, Halloween. Other than that, it's just a bunch of filler stuff. They have been throwing like a bunch of like different types of pliers each month, so tools you can never go wrong with, you know. Other than that, pretty okay box, I would say. If you guys want to go ahead and get your own, I'll leave a link in the description. You guys can check them out.